Hi friends, this is Miss Farah. How are you doing? Okay friends, today I chose a very special treat for you guys. We are going to make chocolate chip cookies from scratch. Okay, so for this chocolate chip cookie, what we need flour, all-purpose flour, and then we need white sugar, we need dark brown sugar, okay, and this time we need baking soda. It's not baking powder, baking soda. We need vanilla, salt, hot water, and 2 softened butter. So you can take out from the fridge maybe for 3-4 hours, so it's become a little bit soft. And then we need chocolate chip. You can have sweet chocolate chip, but I like to have bittersweet chocolate chip. We need this, and then we need 2 eggs. Okay, we need ice cream scoop, we need 1 measuring cup and 1 teaspoon, and then we need hand blender. We need only 1 bowl for mixing, and then we need a tray with parchment paper. All right, so now we are going to start. I take my mixing bowl here. The first thing what we are going to do, of course, remember to wash your hands. Your hands need to be clean. Okay, so I'm going to put 2 softened butter. That means 1 cup. All right, so I'm going to put 1 slab is half a cup. So how many we need? 2 to make 1 cup. Okay, so this is 1 butter, and this is second butter. Okay, and I use my mixer to mix just soft this egg butter. Okay, see, it's become creamy. Okay, so my butter has softened and it's all creamy. Now I'm going to add my white and brown sugar. Now we need 1 cup of white sugar and 1 cup of brown sugar. But because Miss Farah, I don't like to eat too sweet, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take less than 1 cup the white sugar, okay? Like this much, but you can have full, all right? And then I'm going to take 1 cup of dark brown sugar, packed, all right? So you push it down, and this is 1 cup dark brown sugar. Now I am going to mix these ingredients together with the butter, okay? And carefully. Look at this. Now the butter, white sugar and brown sugar all mixed up, okay? Now I am going to put vanilla. And how much vanilla we need? And this brings a good smell. So vanilla we need 2 teaspoons. You can use either this teaspoon or the cap, okay? I always use the cap. So 2 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon, and 2 teaspoons, okay? And you mix it again. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, after I mix vanilla, brown sugar, white sugar, and butter, Now I'm going to take 2 teaspoons of hot water with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. All right. Now, 1 teaspoon baking soda. This is my baking soda and I flat this here. So this is 1 teaspoon. And then I put 2 teaspoons of hot water. 1 and 2. Okay. And then stir, 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 stir. And then I'm going to pour into my mixture. Okay, you can see the bubbles. Okay. And then I mix it again. And then I add some salt. Again, you can use the spoon. It's like half a teaspoon. Maybe let me use the spoon. Okay, half. Not too much. This much is enough. Okay. Mix it again. Okay. Now this is done. Now I'm going to mix the rest of the ingredient. No, before I mix flour, I need 2 eggs, okay? So I'm going to put 1 egg at a time, all right? You have to be careful. Okay, this is 1 egg. I'm going to mix it. Now I'm going to put the second egg, okay? Everything needs to be mixed up nicely, okay? Okay, I stop here. Now we don't need our mixer. Now we are going to mix it with our hand, with the rest of the ingredient, okay? So I put this one here. Now what do we need? We need 3 cups of flour, all-purpose flour, 3 cups. How many cups? 3. So let's count together. Okay. So this is 1 cup. Then I put 2 cup. And then you have to level it, okay? We don't need extra flour. Then this is 3 cup. Okay. Now we are going to stir it with this spatula, okay? Because if you mix with the mixer, then what happened? Your cookie is going to be too hard, okay? So you have to be patient and mix it slowly, slowly, okay? And while I'm mixing this, I'm going to add my chocolate chip. And how much we need chocolate chip? We need 2 cups of chocolate chip. Okay. So I'm going to measure. Look at this. Smells good. Okay. This is 1 cup. This is 2 cups. And if you like to put nuts, you can put walnut in it or pecan. It tastes good. But I'm going to skip those. Okay. We mix it. See, it's coming together. Just you have to be patient, okay? If you want to eat yummy and soft and gooey cookies, you have to be careful. and patient. Okay, so my mixture is ready. This cookie dough mixture is ready. And now we are going to scoop it and put it on the tray. But remember, before we do that, preheat your oven for 350 degree, okay? And then we are going to bake these cookies almost about 12 minutes, or check and see if the edges are golden, then it's time to take out. If you leave it too long, then your cookie is going to be too hard. So we need soft and gooey cookies, okay? And remember, you have to leave some space between each cookie because they are going to spread. They are going to become big, all right? So I'm going to take one scoop like that, okay? And you don't need to grease the tray. Just put the parchment paper and you are good to go. So I put one cookie here. And I leave some space. I put the second one here. It smells so good. Buttery, chocolatey. And then you can eat this cookie with your milk. And I'm going to eat my cookie with a cup of tea. Okay. So how many? 1, 2, 3. And 4. And 5. It's going to be a big, giant cookie. 5, 6. 7. If you want to make smaller, you can take a tablespoon and make smaller. I like big cookies. 8. 9. 10. 'My oven is ready. 11. And 12. Now I don't have any more space and I have more mixture left. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make smaller cookie in a smaller tray. But right now I'm going to put this one in the oven, 350 degree for about 12 minutes. All right. And I will see you after 12 minutes to show you how did it turn out. All right. See you. Okay. So we are back after 15 minutes. Mine took a little bit longer because, my cookies are big. So between 12 to 15 minutes, okay? Now I touch it, it's warm, but it's soft on the top. So what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to eat it right now. Be careful because it's really, really hot. So I have cooling rack. I put it here and then I take gently my cookie and transfer it to my cooling rack. So it cools down nicely. Okay, look at those cookies. I guarantee you it's going to be yummier than from the store that you buy. Okay, I'm going to enjoy my cookie with my tea, and I want you to go and make your cookies and enjoy. Dip it in your milk and eat it. Okay, see you soon. Take care. Have fun.